Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the crochet method of the goddess boho locks. I just love like any hairstyle that really has like the boho aspect to it. And I've had locks in the past, but they were not boho. And I think boho just means that it has like pieces and fringes of hair flowing out. So I'm very excited to try this hairstyle out because I'm tired of doing wigs. Like I'm just so over the wigs right now. But yeah, this is my first time, so wish me luck you guys. So let's jump right into this video. Watch from the beginning till the end. If you guys have any questions or remarks, go ahead and chime in, and I'll see you guys. Wish me luck.
Here are the products that I used. These products right here are optional. This is the pre-looped faux loc hair that I will be using. I went ahead and used the 22-inch. You guys, this hair was like so soft and so flowy, not heavy whatsoever. It is going to be linked in the description below. I always use this product when I'm braiding my hair. I'm going to add it to the description below as well. This is for when I'm done braiding my hair, so it's optional. You're also going to need a crochet needle, preferably the bigger size. So I'm going to just basically let you guys watch this part so that it makes more sense than me trying to explain it. This was the easiest way that I figured out how to install these faux locks, so you're not going through hoops like, oh, tuck this hair here, tie a knot here, do this, do that. I just was not trying to do all of that. So as you guys can see, I'm taking one strand of the braid and I'm pulling it through the lock, and then I'm going right back to braiding, and then you're going to see after I'm done braiding for maybe about an inch of my hair, then I go right back to twisting it so that the takedown will be a lot easier. So just go ahead and keep watching. Also, as you guys are wrapping the hair, make sure you are not wrapping too tightly. And as you are wrapping, make sure that you are fanning out the free tress hair with your fingertips so that it covers more of an area. And also, you guys, please get in the comments and let me know how to treat my alopecia for my edges. If you guys have any like suggestions, I am all ears. Please let me know. In my stomach, there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter with the speed. I'm just standing on my knees, go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. The reason why. I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I find myself in the zone, every purpose when you go. I say I'm not home. See your face, like in my favorite song. Should I send an email home? Call your number one time on the phone. I wonder if you know, do you have a clue? Yeah. When I lay my head on my pillow, if you got me staring out the window, we were showing stars outside. That's the reason why. Yeah, 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 yeah. You're always saying, you're such a good. That is it, you guys. So the ones in the middle are a little bit bigger because I legit thought I was gonna run out of locks and I did not want to make a lock from scratch. Also, if you find that you kind of have like a little lump and your dreads are not going the way that you want them to go, just twist it the other way, right in that little area where it's not going the direction that you want, and it'll eventually fall back into place. But I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I'm gonna end it with a song. Recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high.